Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup, what I use, everything like that basically. I'm a mum of two, so I tend to do it with two kids running around crazy, so my everyday makeup is just simple, quick and easy. But if you want to know how I do my makeup, then continue watching. So I've already washed my face, and then what I do afterwards is I put vegetable glycerin on it. It's oil and it's basically what's in like moisturizer, but it's like concentrated because of all the other chemicals that are in it. So I use that because that seems to be the only thing that kind of calms my dry skin. And I've also used my cleansing brush to exfoliate before putting on the vegetable glycerin, so I've got rid of all the dead skin on my face. I leave the vegetable glycerin on for about 5 minutes or so it's been about that since I've put it on, and I basically kind of use it as a primer because my face is still sticky, and to me it kind of feels a bit like a primer. And I work out if I put a primer then on my face, it just makes my face dry out again, so I just put it on top of the vegetable glycerin that is on my face, and it seems to work a lot better. Plus, since I've been trying to do this every single day, so I do it every morning and every night when I put it on my face, now and again I might miss the odd day, my skin is a lot better now. So my preferable look when it comes to like the base and the foundation is I like a really matte look, which is terrible when you've got dry skin, but now I can kind of get away with it a lot better now. Obviously I've used the oil all the time and my skin is loads better. So I'm going to just tell you quickly about my eyebrows because they're pretty much done. I tend to do this at night time, which I did last night. Whenever I get out of the shower or anything like that, I tend to put it on, leave it on for a couple of hours and then take it off, and then pretty much my eyebrows are like this for a couple of days till I need to go in the shower again. It's basically long lasting tint, so it tints your eyelashes, it tints your eyebrows, plus it kind of like puts a bit of colour on your skin, so they look more full. I usually mix between light brown and medium brown, just depending. But yes, I put this on yesterday and it dries, you leave it to dry, and then it like peels off like a wax, but it doesn't take any hair off or anything like that or pull your hairs out, so it's really, really good. So I've already done that. I'm going to start off with concealer. Most of my products are Younique because I absolutely love it. I've been a Younique presenter for like 2 years, and well, 2.5 years, and I've been using the products more than 3 years, and yeah, I absolutely love them. So I'm going to start off with Organza, and Organza is pretty much my base colour, so I'm just going to pop on any redness, and I do a bit on my cheeks because I've got really bad freckles. Look, I'm just covered in freckles. And then I just pop a little bit on any spots that I've got, and then I use the lightest shade, which is Scarlet. I'm running out of this, and I'll actually pop the tiniest little bit underneath my eyes. I love this brush, it's my favourite brush. It's a concealer and powder brush, and then I basically just blend it all in. I am then going to be using the powdered foundation, again in Organza. This I did break, so I have set it as much as I can because you kind of like squish it with a baby wipe, but it's still a bit flaky. And basically dab it all over my face. Because I've got kids with me when I do my makeup, like if I do it in the morning first thing, you know, for the school run, I'm fairly quick at doing it, so it takes me about 15 minutes. Sometimes I can do it in like a lot quicker than that as well. It still looks a bit red, but I don't use a lot of powder. I use enough to make it matte but not enough to where I overuse it and it dries me out. So yeah, I do very, very simple makeup. Now and again I'll put eyeshadow on, but it's usually if I'm going out anywhere or if I've literally got like all day, you know, like a weekend to do my makeup, so I can take a bit longer. But I just go with everyday simple makeup. Usually I'm hectic running around trying to obviously do the school run and get the kids ready, things like that basically. Right, so what I'm going to do is, because I do have oil on my eyes, I don't like using a lot of setting powder, but I'm just getting a blending board and then just some translucent setting powder and just pop that under my eyes, just so I don't end up with mascara and stuff all down it. My eyes are the only thing I pretty much set. Now and again I might set my forehead, but I found that because I'm using a normal powder foundation, I don't have to set my forehead. And obviously it's not that sunny anymore, so it don't make my face shiny. To kind of like highlight and, well, to highlight and contour my face, I use bronzer. I just prefer the way that it looks better than using like normal highlight and contour kits. And I kind of like this as well because half of it is matte and the other half is shimmer, and I just kind of go like this instead of using just the one side. I blend it all together and use it that way using a puff brush. And then I did it down my cheekbones and then kind of like do it in the big three. And I get some more and then dab it all over my head. Well, the top of my forehead, like on my hairline. And then the same on the other side. I do use quite a lot of bronzer. I get through it quite fast just because I do use it for my contouring. So I use it quite heavily. But this is, I found it just works loads better for me using a bronzer. Because it's so pretty. It's got your shimmer on there as well, but it still kind of like contours your face. And then I just get a bit on my lip. There's a bit of a big brush to use because I use this last amount. Doesn't really matter. Oh, and I blend it down my neck as well. So it's give me a bit of more of a tan. Because what people tend to do is kind of like wear darker and then lighten under their eyes, but I do complete opposite. Wear normal foundation and darken everywhere else around it. I tried doing it the other way and this is the way that I found the most easiest for me. So I'm just going to, my eyebrows don't really need fixing, but I'm just going to brush them and probably just, because the place where they need filling mostly is usually in here. Pretty much like finished the base. I'm going to go now into my mascara, and this is, it's a new one by Younique as well. This is the Epic Mascara. I absolutely love this, but they've come out with a waterproof one, which is even better. So I probably don't need to set my eyes anymore, but I'm still doing it anyway. What I love about this is that it's completely buildable, so I literally can put like 5 loads of layers on and like they'll be huge, but obviously I'm not doing that. I tend to put 2 on. I love this Epic Mascara. Basically it's got no fibres or anything in it and it makes your lashes so long. And obviously it's buildable as well, so you can just keep putting load of layers on. I'm only obviously use it for an everyday look, so I don't need it to be like that long and thick. So I tend to put 2 on. So today I'm going to be wearing my favourite splash. I have got a video of these as well, which came out recently, which I'll pop up into the icons if you're wanting to watch that. But this is my favourite lipstick, liquid lipstick. It's matte. I love it. This one I am running out of, but because I am wearing a pink jumper today, I'm going to be wearing a nude pink. Like I said, this one is my favourite. I am pretty much run out of it. I don't use lip liner as well. I don't know why. I think it's just because obviously for time wise. I just want to get ready and go take the kids to school, where we're usually in the morning. But yes, this is pretty much my everyday look. I'm just going to quickly spray it with some setting spray. Setting spray, I would highly recommend it if you have dry skin like me. Setting powder I do find a little bit better and it sets it really nicely, but setting spray, I think it just, yeah, it's really good for dry skin. But yes, that is my makeup all done now and all ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will pop a link to the website in the description. What I'll try and do as well is you can actually do a look and then list all the products that I've used in that look. So I'll try and do that as well on the website. So if you click the link, it will take you to the look on the products I've used. I upload 4 times a week now on my channel. I upload on a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday. I am a mum of 2, so I upload about motherhood, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, cleaning, hauls, everything like that really. So if it's something you're interested in watching, please subscribe and press that notification bell. But I hope you all have an amazing rest of the day and I will see you soon. Bye!